Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to send an audio file on Instagram whether you are on iPhone or Android. Now, Instagram doesn't let you send standalone audio files like MP3s directly, but don't worry, there are a few easy workarounds. First, let's cover the simplest method, sending a voice message. Just open the Instagram app, go to your DMs and open a chat, then press and hold the microphone icon to record a voice message. When you are done, release the button and your voice message is sent instantly. But what if you have a pre-recorded audio file like a song or a voice clip? Here's what you need to do. Use a free app like InShot, Canva or CapCut to combine your audio with an image or background. Basically, you're turning your audio into a short video. Once that's ready, export it and upload it to Instagram as a reel, story or even send it via DM. And that's it. Whether you're using voice messages, video conversion or cloud sharing, there's always a way to send your audio through Instagram. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.